RV life isn't always pretty. 2,683 miles in 4 days. Just truck stops from Florida to Montana in the spring when conditions are unpredictable. Snow, rain, and everything in between. Here's how the journey unfolded and what it really took to get there.
Hi, we're Roy and Crystal. We ramble around the U.S. in our Renegade looking for our next epic adventure. Good morning. We are ready to roll. We are all set to hit the road, but with 4 wildfires burning around us, it's not exactly the calm send-off we had in mind. Still, adventure doesn't wait, and we have a lot of miles to cover, so we're rolling out anyway. We're definitely going to miss our Florida home, the water, the friends, and all the familiar spots that make it so special. But this leg of the journey is all about putting in the miles. With the trailer packed to the brim with our side-by-side, furniture, and everything we need for our Montana lot, we've got a mission. Get it there so we can kick off a few projects before continuing on to Alaska. So this video is about the long haul, the kind of travel that's all about putting in the miles. It's long days on the road, we drive as far as we're comfortable, pull into a truck stop for the night, and then do it all over again the next day. It's not glamorous, but it's all part of the adventure.
We on a road trip. We on a road trip. Where we going?
We roll into one of the wildfire zones, and the smoke on this stretch is thick, visibility dropping as it hangs in the air. Just a couple days ago, this road was completely closed because of it.
Loki, my trusty co-pilot, keeps me company every mile of the way. And yes, we definitely have our conversations. Our first leg of the journey brings us to a stop for the night at a Love's travel stop in Jasper, Tennessee. It took us a lot longer than we expected to get here, thanks to heavy traffic crawling through Atlanta, but we've got 522 miles behind us and we're officially on our way. Day 2 was smooth and uneventful, the kind of day you hope for on a long haul, so we were able to really cover some ground. We reached our original stopping point, but with everything going so well, we decided to keep on trucking and squeeze out a few more miles. We ended up rolling into the Garden Inn Truck Plaza in Missouri for the night, wrapping up the day with 751 miles behind us. There we are. We don't usually stay at truck stops, but when we do, we try to be respectful of the folks who rely on them. We keep our slides in, stay low-key, and if it's busy, we move along, keeping space open for the hardworking truckers who depend on them. Day 3 kicks off under gray skies in Missouri, with rain tapping the windshield as we roll on. It's one of those steady, soak you through kind of days, but the miles still need to get done. I'm glad I have my sweet Loki keeping me company. And let's be honest, you can't tell the story of a long haul without a fuel stop, so we pull in, top off the tank, and get right back after it.
So the rig and the trailer are going to need a bath. And the truck.
Yep. By the end of the day, the rain had turned to snow, and we rolled into the Sundance truck stop in Wyoming to call it a night. The next morning, we woke up to 29 degrees and a full-on winter wonderland, but it had clearly caused some trouble overnight. Notice that tow truck backed up against the hillside? There's a semi down below he's attempting to help. That's the Clark Fork River, and just across it is Superior, Montana, only about 4 miles from our destination at Shy Rock Motor Coach Resort. If that's not a sign, I don't know what is. That rainbow guiding us into Shy Rock feels right. Shy Rock sits right up against the Lolo National Forest, and you can feel it the moment you pull in. Quiet, surrounded by trees, with that wide-open Montana feel. There's a clubhouse, a gym, even a pool, but it doesn't feel overbuilt, more like a place that's still finding its rhythm. They're continuing to grow with plans for things like a dog park, pickleball courts, and more sites. After 714 miles through snow and rain on the fourth and final day of our long haul, pulling into our RV lot for the first time feels pretty special. We're excited to settle in, get to know the community, and start exploring everything this area has to offer.
Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because this summer we're hitting the road in our RV and driving from Florida all the way to Alaska. It's going to be one incredible journey, and we'd love to have you along for the ride.